Hello again, Justin here with BevFluence, rocking and rolling on Dry Cider July. We love sweet ciders, everyone loves sweet ciders, but dry cider is what people used to drink a very long time ago, and in fact it's what a lot of the cider and som nerds are drinking. So if you don't have any dry ciders in your collection, go and get some. One of the things I want to share with you for Dry Cider July is old cider. Call it old. Really, it's vintage. A lot of people don't think that you can age cider. Most wines, most beer, most ciders, most products that are sold in store are pretty much consumed that day. So I wanted to talk a little bit about cider in its ageability. So this is Lapinette out of Virtue Cider. I want to say this particular bottle is at least 6 years old, if not more. Probably a little more. Still has some beautiful brightness. I still get a lot of apple characteristic. I still get a lot of cider characteristic. It's clean. It is dry. It has lost some of that fizz, but other than that, it is very nice. Great characteristics. Edging on something that's sort of like a brandy, a very young brandy. Tons of apple, just a really nice example of an aged cider. So one of the questions we're answering with our cider campaign is the ageability of cider. We'll have a lot more on that in the future. Cheers, and go get yourself some cider.